Hey guys, so I was making this to hopefully help somebody out. If you have a template website and you have a form and you can't figure out how to get the emails to go to your email account, your email address, this is what you do. You go to WordPress forms, go to all forms, click it. And then here it'll show you your however many forms you have should show up right here. Go to edit. I'm going to open it in a new tab. Okay, so we want to go to, this will show you what the form looks like. For the website I'm working on for somebody, this is what their form looks like. You can click residential cleaning, commercial cleaning. And then you go over to settings. Now I'm gonna zoom in real close for a sec. Oh, actually I'm gonna show you first. You go here to notifications. Now I'm gonna zoom in just so you don't see my customer's email address. So zooming in, I'm clicking on notifications. So I just deleted their email for a second, just so you guys can't see, so that they don't get mad at me. But this is just the code that they put in for it. But right here where it says send to email. So again, just to go over it again, we went to settings, went to notifications. This is in notifications right here where it says send to email. This is where you want to put in your email address you want the form to be sent to. Super simple.